Okay, hello everybody, and there you solve Leetcode longest increasing subsequence. Okay, and the question is given an integer array, return the length of the longest strictly increasing subsequence. Now, I think one of the questions that will be some is what is a subsequence, right? So we will talk about that later, but let's first look at the question. My input arrays 10, 9, 2, 5, 3, 7, 101, and 18. The longest increasing subsequence is 4, and it is 2, 3, 7, and a 101. So this should give you an idea what a subsequence is, right? We should give you a little bit of an idea what exactly a subsequence is. But now the intro and a second one also any right into 0 2 3 it's 0 1 2 3 that is and is a 0 1 1 2 3 and into na 4 no right and I will say in the 9777 into answer near 1 right. So from this now you can deduce subsequence means sequence no like over pick it the it doesn't matter say a 20 so and I say 20 so but yeah pay something that is increasing in this array right into 9 10 9 is not increasing into yeah 2 5 right it's not increasing but 2 3 right 3 7 because it's strictly increasing. Equal 2 5 increasing all right but the next one here 3 into yes and na atiaba form into any strictly increasing into way to make 5 in a frame into about 2 to 3 3 to 7 because he increasing and 7 to 101 and also a increasing and it's in the area 4 1 2 3 4 right say the 5 in can one and then you see what here because the next one at Tiago. But yeah, for 5 5, bit more for 7. Yeah, for 101. Right. And also bit my 4. And also it's a possible answer. Right. So be 2 5 7 101, which can also be the longest increasing subarray. Right. And also your option. Right. But anyway, the motor anyway. But 2 5 7 101 is also an option. I think 2 3 7 101. In 9 options. 5 7 101. I know there any option. So let's look at the question again over here. So we have 10 9 2 5 3 7 101 and an 18 right and it's strictly increasing subsequence which my fan say nina but could be a 1 right because I could be a no quite way right nina will be a 1 into no say 10 to 9 any increase right it's not increasing it's just decreasing it's not strictly increasing subsequence into no as in there it will maintain its number 1 knows will be maintained but 9 to 2 is also not increasing to 2 no but 2 I say no 2 to 5 right a increase back into I say no ube do 5 5 no is increasing to 5 no plus 1 right? Now from 5 to 3 no, and also is not increasing, right? 5 to 3 increase, but 2 to 3 no, about man increase back plus 1, right? Original 7 has here 2 is less than 7, 3 is less than 7, 5 is also less than 7, right? Until hano about 3 over 101 way is less than 101, way is less than 101, way is less than 101 until no about 4 over 18 has here as well 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, all of these are also less than wait in general about 4. Okay, but if we have say about saying there chain a breaky, right? But has say me has say in there is continuing for some cases and discontinuing for some cases. In the end no about 1 1 1, maybe 2, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 4, right? In the end, we want to pick the mask out of this list, and that is equal to 4, right? That is how you get the 4. So you can go to the solution and see how we can solve this problem. So first, let's get the length of the numbers. N is equal to length of nums, right? Longest increasing subsequence. I see we initialize all of it to 1. Now what this does is basically maybe I say n is equal to 2 like 1 1 1 you know, right? And then we are going to look through it for I in range n, and then for j, which will be the second loop in range I. In the one say so starting or I say 2 first loop no ABC 2, second loop no ABC 1, ABC 10 has it, right? And now start it maybe or I J will start from J ABC I say, right? So this will be J, and then this will be I. Call back J is between the range of this and that, right? If nums J is less than nums I, then longest increasing subsequence will be equal to the max of LIS, longest increasing subsequence as LIS J plus 1, right? If we need we just return the maximum from the list. Okay, so this should be it. This should give you the solution for the longest strictly increasing subsequence. Let's see if this one works. All right, so this is basically how you solve it. Now, because Ubedru has a let's go back here. Ubedru Hana is not always if you on the value here, the value at I pick the highest value at I compared to the summation of the value I will has it. Okay, that is why you have to pick the max, because if you are able to I value no so did that or the one can J value no whole grandpa, this is the biggest. That's why we are picking the biggest over here. All right, thank you. Bye bye.